Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable print of both sides in the fax settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here we want to go over and go to function, then receive and forward, and here we will have the fax settings. As you guys can see, here we have the print on both sides, and we can easily enable it by clicking on the on option. Now this setting is automatically applied, as you guys can see, and we can do the same with turning it off. Now it's turned off, and that's basically how the entire process looks like. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.